So hello guys, in this video I will explain what are the zoo gift box timing for 24 January. So I will provide the timings for the region of India, Nigeria, Bangladesh and Pakistan. So go through the video and know your country timing. If you want to add your country, just link me in the comment box. Join our Telegram channel for the latest updates regarding the zoo gift box and other airdrops. So today's zoo gift box first gift will appear on the map at 0945 UTC. Reward will be 3933 feeds and duration of time will be 10 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 3:50 pm 3:15 pm. For Pakistan timing it will be 2:45 pm. For Bangladesh timing it will be 3:45 pm and for Nigeria timing it will be 10:45 am. Then the second gift box will appear on the map at 15:15 UTC. Rewards will be 409 animal feeds and duration of time will be 30 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 8:45 pm. For Pakistan timing it will be 8:15 pm. For Bangladesh timing it will be 9:15 pm. For Nigeria timing it will be 4:15 pm. The third gift box will appear on the map at 1940 UTC. The rewards will be 1286 animal feed and duration of time will be 15 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 1:10 am. For Pakistan timing it will be 12:40 am. For Bangladesh timing it will be 1:40 am and for Nigeria timing it will be 8:40 pm. So go through these timings and claim the zoo gift box as early as possible. Till then, meet you in a new video. Take care. Bye bye.